Spain owns many beautiful beaches, one of which cannot help but mention Ses Illetes beach in Spain is a precious gem of Formentera Island, in the Balearic Archipelago. With fine white sand and pristine blue sea, Ses Illetes becomes a great destination for tourists who love the ocean space mixed with pristine nature. The salty sea scent combined with fresh air creates a unique experience, making Ses Illetes a destination not to be missed when visiting. Ses Illetes beach in Spain is not only a paradise of natural beauty but also a place that attracts the attention of beautiful girls enjoying wonderful moments in bikinis. The vivid pictures painted by girls swimming in bikinis here are not only images of seduction but also symbols of confidence and joy. In front of the warm sunshine of the Pacific Ocean, girls wearing bikinis of all colors from gentle pastel tones to bold colors attract everyone's eyes. They freely frolic in the ocean waves, creating vivid pictures and full of positive energy. The girls' confidence is evident through each seductive curve, and they enjoy every moment on the beach as an encounter with freedom and joy. Zihuatanejo Beach is not only a place to relax and enjoy the majestic natural picture, but also a stage for beautiful, sweet and energetic moments of girls swimming in colorful bikinis. The wandering channel brings the most natural experience and relaxing moments. The country's elegant area at Ses Illetes Beach in Spain is not only famous for the stunning beauty of its coastline but is also an ideal destination for those looking for peace and relaxation. With a large area, this country creates a comfortable and private space for visitors, where they can enjoy private moments amid majestic beaches. A notable feature of this country is the diversity of its landscape, from pearly white sand beaches, lush green forests to traditional villages along the coast. The country's area is arranged so that visitors can leisurely wander the coast, visit picturesque villages and even immerse themselves in the tranquil atmosphere of pristine beaches. The country's elegance is not only reflected in its natural beauty but is also a result of the unique culture and hospitality of the locals. Visitors will feel the warmth and sincerity of their welcome, making them feel like they are becoming part of the local community on their journey to explore Ses Illetes Beach in Spain. Ses Illetes Beach in Spain is a majestic picture of nature, where the environmental landscape blends with the wonderful beauty of the sea and the sincerity of the local people. The beach is characterized by powdery white sand, opening up to gentle and clear blue seas, creating a wonderful picture full of vitality. The lush green forest surrounding the beach is home to many rare plants and animals, creating a rich ecosystem. This beautiful landscape not only attracts tourists because of its harmonious blend but also preserves and protects important biodiversity. The blue and clear seawater of Zihuatanejo Beach is home to many species of fish and marine life, creating an area rich in fish resources and enriching the marine ecosystem with nutrients. Visitors can see small colorful fish dancing in the clear water. The wandering channel emphasizes girls walking on the beach, adding delicate beauty and exuding the most comfortable confidence. Tourists who enjoy wonderful experiences at Zihuatanejo Beach, Mexico, often share fond memories of their journey through comments on travel websites and online videos. A standout feature is the beach walk experience, where visitors can walk along the beach, admire the beautiful ocean scenery and relax under a mysterious sunrise. Reviews of Zihuatanejo Beach often mention their enjoyment of the Beach Walk 2023, with realistic and vivid 4K images. Beach walk videos have become a source of inspiration for many people who want to explore this wonderful sea. Many tourists do not hesitate to share their experiences at unique spots such as replica beach walk, places with beautiful scenery like a living painting, and hot beach walk, beaches with a vibrant atmosphere and dynamic. These reviews often speak of the warmth of the seaside resorts and the unforgettable travel experiences. Walking tour videos on the beach, especially Beach Walk No Cutting, not only give viewers a panoramic view of natural beauty but also create a unique virtual journey through this wonderful sea. This is often expressed through travel vlogs with authentic and attractive content, helping the audience feel the special beauty of Ses Illetes Beach in Spain through the perspective of those experiencing it. Video before the channel we created a video about beaches in Spain. If you want to watch the previous video, click on the link I left below in the description. Ses Illetes Beach in Spain is a natural gem, famous for its stunning views of long, powdery white sand. Floating white sand strips stretch along the beach, creating a mysterious picture, attracting all eyes. This beach is not only an ideal destination for those who want to relax in the shade of white sand, but also a source of inspiration for art enthusiasts and nature lovers. Under the warm sunlight, the painting blends into the white sand and blue sea, creating a peaceful and mysterious scene. Turquoise blue sea water embracing white sand creates a harmonious combination, enhancing the exquisite natural beauty of Zihuatanejo Beach. Along the long coastline, visitors can enjoy peaceful, elegant moments when walking on soft white sand, listening to the gentle sound of ocean waves, enjoying the silence and immersing themselves in the reassuring beauty of the ocean. The Wandering Channel sympathizes with what people have preserved the most typical maritime culture. The people of Ses Illetes Beach in Spain have played an important role in preserving the unique local culture. Set against a backdrop of amazing maritime beauty, they have proudly embraced traditional values and created a special space where their culture is clearly expressed. Zihuatanejo, Mexico is not only an attractive tourist destination with beautiful sea views and long white sand beaches, but also a place that preserves the unique features of Mexico's unique culture. The local community in Zihuatanejo has maintained and developed traditional arts, from language and music to arts and crafts. I believe this is one of those vacations I've been wanting to go to. Enjoying a vacation at Ses Illetes Beach in Spain is an impressive and unforgettable journey for travelers seeking to immerse themselves in majestic natural beauty and unique culture. With a long coastline, fine white sand, and the warm atmosphere of the locals, Ses Illetes Beach in Spain becomes the ideal destination for a relaxing getaway. Visitors to Ses Illetes Beach not only enjoy the wonderful beaches but also participate in many unique recreational activities and cultural discoveries. Participating in live stream programs on the beach helps them better appreciate the vibrancy and rich culture of the locality, from traditional festivals to unique handicrafts. Click the subscribe button to not miss other interesting and useful videos from our wandering channel. Don't forget to press the like button if you find this video worth watching. We'd love to hear from you, so leave your comments below in the comments section. Sincerely thank you for your support and companionship with our wandering channel. Remember to turn on notifications so you don't miss any new updates. Thank you very much everyone, and see you in the next videos.